Israelis want to talk about Tel Aviv being the vegan capital of the world. Okay, well, why is there that one festival where you guys literally toss kittens and puppies into a fire? I think it's called Lag BaOmer.
Oh yeah, no, I've heard of Long Boner.
Look this up.
I've heard of this.
This festival, Lag BaOmer. Look, not all Jews do this.
That is so disgusting. Rabbi, is that true? Yes, it is technically true that we do throw kittens and puppies into the fire on Lag BaOmer. But these are not, household pets. These are animals that have been convicted of white-collar financial crimes for the most part. So, tax fraud and embezzlement, stuff like that. So, and some of them go voluntarily. Some of these animals are very depressed, and so they just jump into the fire on their own. So, it's not. We can edit all this stuff out, right? This is not...
Not all Jews observe this lifestyle. Not all Jews think that the state of Israel should exist. And I love those Jewish people.
I don't even like those Jews. That's like a whole other thing.